and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can log in QLD Education HR. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open a web browser in your Macbook. So once you open it, you need to type in the URL www.myhr-rct.eq.edu.au. Once you do this, you'll end up in this interface where you need to type in your username and type in your password of your account to get signed in or logged in into your QLD Education HR account. After you do so, hit on the login button and you'll get access. However, if you've forgotten your password, then tap on forgot your password to reset your password and get back your access. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.